Hey y'all, welcome back to Math Rescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning. This video, we're going to simplify radical expressions. I'll show you how to break radicals apart and clean everything up step by step so your final answer. Let's talk about it. Alright, so we have two radical expressions here. One of them is a cube root. The top one's a cube because the index is 3. And the bottom one is a square root because I can't see the. So let's start off with our cube. So because it's a cube root, essentially what I'm looking for is I'm looking for groups of three things, groups of three factors. Um, for 64, I'm already familiar with this one. Just been doing it so long, I know that that is going to be 4 times 4 times 4. Also separate our. This separation step isn't necessary, but it just kind of helps to refine your focus for how you're thinking about things. So I'll go ahead and I'll do cube root of negative 64. Again, that's going to be negative 4 times negative 4. So like one of the. Oh. I'm also going to go ahead and separate the variables just because 6 is a multiple of 3, 14 is. So I want to think about those separately. Go ahead and separate them. The cube of x to the 6 times the of y to the. From here, let's go ahead and work out our. So what ends up happening is that the exponent and the index end up dividing each other. So it kind of works out to be divided by 3. So we end up with x to the 6 divided by 3, which is just x. Over on this other side, we have the cube root of y to the 4th. So 15 would be perfect. Y to the 15th would work out perfectly. Since we have 14 though, it's not gonna. We're gonna have some leftovers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this up in something that is by 3. We'll do y to the 12th times y squared. That's the same as saying y to the 4th. All I did was pull 2 of those exponents. So from here, I'll go ahead and wrap up. Y to the 12th, if we take the cube root of that, it's going to give me y to the 4th outside of the cube root, and inside of the cube left with. All right, let's go ahead and tackle that second one. So here we have a square root of 75, 12, 7. So same thing. I'm going to be looking for the biggest perfect square I can find inside of 75. I'm thinking 5 times 12. So this b to the 6 times b is just 7th. All I did was separate it into something that's divided by my index here. My index is 2. Let's go ahead and keep cleaning this up. I know that the square root of 25 is 5. The 3 ends up remaining inside of the radical. The square root of a to the 12th is a to the dividing by the invisible. That's right here. B to the 6th, if we take the square root of that gives. I have a single b. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and put my radicals together, and then everything that's not in the radical, I'll go ahead and getting 5 times a to the 6th third times the square root of. All right, and that is completely. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in the next one.